Victoria Lim, and I'm from Toronto, Canada. This weekend has been a huge blessing. I was able to attend the pre-conference outreach where we served the low-income housing community, running a job fair and a back-to-school program.
Hey, I'm Edwin. I'm from Keene, Texas, and I would say that the biggest takeaway for me from this convention has been, I guess, a change in perspective and learning to see my weaknesses as strengths instead of thinking like these are things that happened in my past and that these are things that I should avoid, and instead focus on these things. Instead, learning to utilize those things. Maybe those things are blessings that I can use to help other people. And it makes me feel more, I guess, powerful in a good way and better able to serve God's mission than I thought I was able to. So that was very illuminating.
Hey, my name's Tim Sharper from Grace Temple SDA Church in Fort Worth, Texas. I just wanted to talk about I had such a great time at the convention. One thing I came here for was helping my career. I've worked in health information technology for the last 5 years, and I had a great conversation with Advent Help to help me to grow my career in the direction I wanted to go. But the main reason I came here was to become a better leader to help me serve in my church. And I've learned so much from what Benjamin taught us from the stage and his meeting him in person.
Hi, my name is Kellen. My home church is at YG in Arlington, Texas. The biggest blessing for me so far has been the breakout session on relationships and marriage and how to just cultivate really good relationships and how to have a really healthy marriage and how to not live in the spirit of fear and live in the spirit of God.
Hi, my name is Monique. I had a wonderful time at the AYP Convention. Relive this year was my first time coming, and I met so many interesting people and also was able to connect professionally and not necessarily network, but we were able to talk about what professions we are in and what our passions are, and then from there be able to have deeper conversations. I've met people who have done full-time ministry like myself and also people who are involved in education and research, and it's just been a very diverse community.